We have something here. We need this cutter. We need it very close to this roller, as shown on the original video. You can see after putting the shaft, when he rolling, it's a little gap, maybe 2 mm maximum. So we need to adjust this. Okay, before we extend this the height of the side, we will return it again. Okay, 250 mm. But we'll check it's crossing or no. So we'll hide this. And this. As you can see, it's crossing with the roller. So we will adjust the position of the roller little down. If we checking how much we have gap, so it's between this. Now let's select. Okay, it's between this and this. It's 265 mm. So we'll make it down this roller here. Okay, we'll adjust the plate. Here we have 60. Okay, we will make it 55. Okay. Save it, and we will check again. See, now we have this gap. Okay. Now we'll make our shaft here. We'll measure this and this. Let's activate this. The distance is 210. The shaft must be 20 mm. So let's create it. (110 plus 6 mm), it's 206. This is 10. This is 15. Also here 15. Here we can make, okay, we'll remove this. We can make here the sirclip groove. It will be 2 mm. From here to here it's 210. It's 216. Okay. The depth is 1.5. We'll remove this. That's it. Okay. Save it. In roller. Choose a new one. We come back here. Pin roller. Okay. Okay. You can see here the sirclip groove. It's okay. Let's save.